Ayan guys, ang ating ulam, breakfast for today is pritong bangus. Good morning po sa lahat. Ayan guys. Good morning. Ito ang second day po ng aming camping. Second day. Sarap matulog guys, malamig.
We don't have airbag lang.
Ayan guys, umpok-umpukan after breakfast. Kwentuhan naman. Hello guys, good morning. Mapagpalang araw po sa lahat. Ngayon po ay pupunta tayo sa lake. Magkakayak po tayo. Try natin. Try natin kung paano magkayak. Yan, let's go po. Yan, thank you so much for watching. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Ka from the Vlog. Samahan niyo po kami. Let's go.
Paddle back.
Yan guys,
and
ready
meet
na
us at the
sa
beach.
kayak. Magkakayak muna tayo.
Akin
First time.
Let's go guys.
Okay, the kayaks are still there. That's a good sign.
Good thing they don't take your kayak.
So excited. I'm excited.
So my sister and my mentor or our teacher are going for kayak. They will gonna teach Lilibet how to kayak.
I was going to keep that on the jacket cover if you need it, but I don't think you will. If you have sunglasses or something, you can put in here.
Oh, you forgot your sunglasses. It's okay.
Put them back up.
Let's see guys if I can.
I and Claro, my husband,
Okay, I got the
is
log
just
there.
the.
I think that this is a pretty shallow log. So I
It's
just rested
easy.
on my leg, on my thigh.
Oh, hindi.
And these are pretty round stones.
So I and Claro, my husband, are the assistant.
Okay, how long are your legs?
Well, just like me.
These are right at the front. So this is it.
It's so short. My legs.
Oh, that's hers.
Like this?
Yeah.
Maybe you help him there.
Hmm?
You help him on that side.
You do the back first. So no, you're gonna sit forward.
That's our
We're trying
teacher.
to get you forward so you can get
No, that's my boss.
So then this part,
With the tutorial for the skirt.
Arrow's base. What's his face? Now this part, then after it's clipped on the back, if it's around the back, you should be able to just pull it straight. Can you hold it on the back? This one's tight. It's a new skirt.
Oh, that's new.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
But you
So
want it
the water,
tight.
it will gonna get in.
Okay,
So you're set.
We're gonna go inside.
so I want you to stay close. I don't. If you go out there, there's a bit of wind.
Yeah, just
So
to
what you
stay
do-
here.
Kind
Here,
of
like this.
Yeah, along the shore.
go that way. I'll follow you. Wait for a minute till I'm sort of released. Then we will go on.
Like this. Ay, kastagaan niya ako dyan.
Yeah.
Kas dyan.
The curve, it must be facing you. So
Yeah,
the
that's
water, it's easy to paddling.
Oh, yeah. Let's go, guys. Kayak mata, kayak.
Kayang-kaya mo yan. Yeah. Kayak, kayang-kaya. Kayak.
Ayan.
Kaya.
Kayak means in Ilocano.
I can.
You can.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, kayak. Meaning in Ilocano is
Okay, so
you
we don't
can.
need to give
You
you
can
too
do
big
it.
of a boost, but you ready?
Are you
Now,
ready?
When you're waiting for me, okay, we got this turned around with, which is normal. Just don't worry about it. It works either way. So when you're waiting for me, you can just hold your kayak paddle
Oh,
flat.
like this.
Because if
Yeah.
you were to
So that you
lean a little
cannot
bit,
bend anywhere.
keep you, it's like a flotation, or
The formation of my hand like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just
It's
put, you know,
just
when you're paddling, you're gonna turn it like this.
yeah.
So hold your hand.
Hold
You're
it.
gonna reach this one forward and dig in, and then reach this one, and just
or
alternate.
the other side, you will use this and then
But to
like
begin with, just do
Yeah.
baby paddle.
Yeah.
Ah, if I...
Pag nag-antay ka, nakaganyan lang yan. Ibabaw mo dyan.
Para yung ano,
Ready?
nakabalance.
Already.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Okay. Yeah. Don't go on the other side. Just your right one.
Wait.
Okay. Pag to turn ka, syempre, turn lang. Yung ano lang, left lang. Sorry guys. I'm a little bit nervous. That's why. Yeah. Kaliwa.
I'll come around with your
Kaliwa. Yeah, unti-unti. Huwag mong galawin yung katawan mo. Sige. Okay. Kaliwa. Kaliwa.
See now, this way. I'll just float over there.
Yan, ganyan. Kaliwa. Oh, you're good now. Yeah, that's good. You changed the paddle? Oh, good. Yeah. So you used to the small one.
Inday,
Hi.
my sister.
Hello. Good teacher. Kuya, you're good teacher. Oh, preno. Oh.
Hi, Inday.
Yeah, this is video. So hi, Joy.
Hello guys! Ayan, kakayak tayo.
This is my beauty driver and my beauty baby. That's Mommy Inday. That's Latrell.
Ganda pala, ang ganda guys.
Yeah, that's
Very nice.
Travis. I try.
Na-experience kong magkayak guys. Ganda, sarap. Mami, alika na. Pupunta pa kami sa ano? Nakagear ka pa. Pupunta pa kami doon sa...
Maybe it's just here. Don't go at the, the deep area because you're just amateur, beginner.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'll come and... Ah.
20 degrees, 21 degrees, 22 degrees.
So guys, ito mais. Kain muna tayong mais. Ang sarap magkayak pala. First time. Hindi ko alam kanina kung anong gagawin ko. Pero sarap pala pag nasa gitna na. Yan guys, kain muna tayo ng mais. Yan, tapos na tayong nagkayak. Babalik ulit mamaya. Kuya Tim will teach me how to use kayak. A little bit, kuya. Ayan naman sila guys. Yung aking mga kapatid tsaka bayaw. Yan mga kasama namin. Ayan si Kuya Tim. Siya yung leader namin sa pagkakayak. Ay iba nagsiswimming sila, mga bata. Ayan yung mga gamit. Yung pagkain namin guys. Bakit? Ayaw mo?
Dalawa na lang kami ng kuya mamaya. Joy, ikaw muna sumama sa kanila. Ay, mami, hindi. Mag-picture lang ako.
O hindi, dalawa na kayo.
Alam mo, mag-adjust itong paanan niya. Inyo bantay.
Yan, abante.
Paikutin. Uray mo dyan, tipa.
Otherwise, when you're upside down, the water goes through your whole head.
Yan sila guys.
That trail, go deeper.
Ganyan ang yan ang gustong-gusto ni Kuya Tim. Guys.
Come back!
Ang aso, ganda. Ayan guys, napakasaya po dito. Enjoy talaga. Enjoy talagang mag-camping. Sobrang sarap. Second day po ng camping namin ngayon guys. So, trinay kong magkayak. Kayak po kasi ang tawag nila dun sa pag-boat. Ayan, bangka. Ayan.
If you don't stabilize, the boat is made to slip. So if 6 inches of water, you can slip really quick. If you're not stabilized. So you keep your weight to that side.
Okay, kuya, I'll just put sunscreen to my...
Does that one fit, honey? Vero, you might have to use different foot types. Which one have you got? The extreme? Which one should fit? So that'll fit. Okay, this is... That's the very tightest? No, mine's too tight. I'm gonna put that side. You gotta pinch it with foot under. That might be uncomfortable, having to get your knee into it. Let me go spin it on there.
Very beautiful place. Ayan guys.
Please don't say hey, Anna. Just say Lolo.
Ayan guys, oh may aso. Ang cute. Naliligo. Oh, so cute. Yeah. Wow. Swim again, baby. Oh. She lie down. Very good. Ang cute nyo guys, oh. Nililigo. Namiss ko tuloy yung aking alaga, si Mira, at si Hershey. Ayan guys, ito yung mga bangka, oh. Yan, yung tawag nila dyan, kayaks. Kayaks. Ito. Guys, oh. Tapos ito yung kay Kuya Tim. Rockpool kayaks. Yan ang tawag nila dito. Yan guys, bangka sa atin. Ang sarap i-drive. Ayan guys. Ayan, medyo mainit na dito eh. Pati yung buhangin guys. Oh. Ganda. Mga bata, nag-enjoy sa paliligo. Guys, oo. Agil-ilo. Nag-ano siya, oh. Ayan guys, oh. Galing, ah. Ang cute, oh. Ang cute talaga niya, guys, oh. Guys, oh. Ang cute. So cute. The dog is so cute. Lying down. Swim again, baby. Magla-lunch muna tayo. Babalik na ulit mamaya sa tabi ng lake. Lunch time muna. Yung kasama ko. Babalik muna tayo guys sa tent natin para mag-lunch. Mamaya balik naman tayo ulit doon. Mag-iikot ulit, mag-walking. Yan guys. Marami pa rin mga dumadating na magka-camping. Mainit na ngayon dito guys.
Barbecue. Balik ka rin po na at nanaksot na.
Mustard.
I'll just have mustard.
You want mustard? There's pickles and the pickles like this.
Okay, I'll pick those.
What pickle?
Any pickle.
Yan guys, mag-walking ulit tayo para bumaba ang kinain. Walking ulit. Tara guys, ikot muna tayo dito sa campsite. Lakad-lakad guys para bumaba ang kinain. Ang daming kinain. Ayan. Ito yung mga camping tent. Mga iba guys umuwi na. Pero meron pa din mga nagdadatingan ulit. Mga naka-schedule naman. Shout out po sa lahat. And keep safe always po. Ayan guys. Mag-walking lang kami.
Your eyes out.
Medyo madilim na dito guys. Ito ang camping dito sa Canada. Tahimik. Guys, ito yung lake.
Nakaawang siya, katulad ng kwarto namin. Naawang ko lang. Sige na, ingat ka dyan.
Guys, nandito na kami sa rocks. Malaking rock. So, madilim na.
Let's go.
Hindi na makita.
Kadilib.
Napapasok pa kami dyan. Dyan sa gubat, guys.
Makita mo gandiro
Punta kami sa lighthouse.
Wala bang satya?
Saan mang sulok ng mundo, shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much po, guys.